Guide my way, understanding this English phrase. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, guide my way. Understanding such phrases is crucial as they can add flavor to your English conversations. Let's dive into what this phrase means and how you can use it in your daily English. Guide my way is a phrase that implies someone or something is leading or directing someone else, often towards a goal or through a difficult situation. It can be used literally, like a tour guide leading tourists, or metaphorically, such as a mentor guiding a student through their education. The phrase, guide my way, can have its roots traced back to times when physical navigation was essential for travel. In modern times, it's more commonly used in a symbolic or emotional context. It's a way to express trust and reliance on someone else's judgment and support. Let's look at how guide my way can be used. In a literal sense, I'll need a map to guide my way through the forest. In a metaphorical sense, her wise words continue to guide my way in tough times. You might use guide my way when you're seeking advice, support, or direction from someone else. It's a humble phrase that acknowledges someone else's expertise or experience. This phrase is often found in literature and music, symbolizing a journey or personal growth. Understanding these references can make your English more nuanced and rich. We hope this video has enlightened you on the meaning of guide my way and how you can incorporate it into your English vocabulary. Remember, language is not just about words, but the stories and meanings behind them. Happy learning, and we'll see you in the next video.